Coinsnap for WooCommerce. Accept Bitcoin payments with WooCommerce easy, fast and secure. With Coinsnap for WooCommerce, you can offer your customers the opportunity to shop quickly and easily with Bitcoin in your WooCommerce store today. Coinsnap for WooCommerce is ideal for merchants who want to accept Bitcoin payments in their WooCommerce shop. Easy installation directly in your WordPress. Select the plugin, install and activate it. Immediate credit. Receive payment directly in your wallet or bank account. Guaranteed without any chargebacks. Bitcoin discount. Give customers an incentive for Bitcoin purchases. Customized WooCommerce checkout. Customize your checkout with individual texts and icons to match your brand identity. Install Bitcoin payment in just 3 steps. No programming skills needed. Step 1. Open an account with Coinsnap under Coinsnap.io register. Step 2. Install the Coinsnap plugin directly in your WordPress. Step 3. Connect your Bitcoin wallet to your WooCommerce shop. Now your customers can pay with Bitcoin in your WooCommerce shop. All your Bitcoin sales will be credited directly to your Bitcoin wallet or bank account. Coinsnap for WooCommerce. Accept Bitcoin payments with WooCommerce easily, quickly, and securely. Coinsnap for WooCommerce is the free, easy-to-install plugin that allows you to offer Bitcoin payments in your WooCommerce store today. Start now and snap your Bitcoin with Coinsnap for WooCommerce.